Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. My name is Tashir Amin bin Hisham. So today I'm gonna explain to all of you about project 2 related to the coordinate system conversion. This is a group project which is group 8 consisting of my friends, the leader Ainur Shakira binti Priman, Atif bin Abdullah, and Abdullah Al-Faizi bin Fauzi, and we are given the task of coordinate system conversion of Cassini geocentric convert to WGS84. We will start from coordinate system. What is coordinate system? It is a method for identifying the location of a point on the Earth, and a reference system used to represent the location of geographic features, imagery, and observations such as GPS locations within a common geographic framework. Each coordinate system is defined by the definition of the map projection for projected coordinate system. What is coordinate system conversion? It is a conversion from one coordinate system to another with both coordinate systems based on the same geodetic datum. What is Cassini geocentric? The Cassini projection is classified as cylindrical, tangent, transverse, equidistant, and semi-geometric. Cassini software is used for cadastral surveys, and it is the basis for the standard cadastral sheets in east, northing, and easting. There are 9 state Cassini coordinate systems in Peninsular Malaysia, with their respective origins. Generally, in Malaysia, has 2 different coordinate systems that include local Cassini and Arizo. Origin both of them is Arizo at Kertau, Pahang, and Cassini is suitable for cadastral, refer to the state in Malaysia, such as Gunung Belmut, Johor, Gunung Hijau Laut, and Bukit Asa for Perak, Gunung Senyum for Pahang, Gunung Hill for Negeri Sembilan, Gunung Gajah Trom for Terengganu, Bukit Panau Baru for Kelantan, Gunung Perak for Kedah, and Fort Cornwallis for Penang. So what is the meaning of geocentric? Geocentric is the coordinate system useful for measuring things close to Earth's surface. The origin is chosen at the center of Earth. The x-axis points from the center of Earth through the prime meridian, while the z-axis points towards the north geographic pole. Okay, what is the meaning is of WGS84? It is the World Geodetic System. WGS is the standard for use in cartography, geodesy, and satellite navigation including GPS. WGS84, also known as WGS1984. EPSD 4326, established and maintained by the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency since 1984. What is GDM 2000? GDM stands for the Geocentric Datum of Malaysia. It forms the new Earth-centered coordinate datum for Malaysia that will gradually replace the regional datums of Kertau 1948 in Peninsular Malaysia and Timbalai 1948 in Sabah and Sarawak. It is to manage in one centralized origin that anywhere in Malaysia will tide at one center point. Built by GPS-based geodetic technology based on International Terrestrial Reference Frame (ITRF 2000) and Geodetic Reference System 1980 (GRS80) reference ellipsoid. GDM was officially launched on 26th of August 2003. Even though GDM 2000 has developed, Cassini coordinates system is still in use for cadastral lot or in title survey. It is because every title survey need refer to a datum that pointed in the standard sheet. Almost standard sheet is in Cassini, except the new standard sheet is using GDM 2000. National mapping agencies such as JPEM, which is Jabatan Ukur dan Pemetaan Malaysia, and Pejabat Tanah and Galian, are one of the custodian need to collaborate, manage and control these issues. So, how to convert the coordinate? So, Project 2 objectives are to give the knowledge on coordinate system conversion in Malaysia, to understand the coordinate system in Malaysia, and to process the conversion of coordinate system. By using one of the open source web, which is epsd.io. Before that, what is EPSD software? It stands for European Petroleum Survey Group, published by Cloquin Technologies GmbH Switzerland, maintains a geodetic parameter database with standard codes, the EPSD codes for coordinate systems, datums, spheroids, units and such alike, simplifies discovery of coordinate reference system, utilized all over the world for creating maps and geodata and for identifying geoposition. A practical tool for anybody interested in cartography and digital map making who needs to know exact latitude and longitude values for numerical coordinates in different spatial reference systems. Also allows to show the precise location anywhere on the planet, also visually. For open source coordinate conversion system, we chose epsd.io. Okay, so let's get started. First, open epsd.io software, and then, for example, type GDM 2000 Johor and click search. Click GDM 2000 Johor to see its attributes. As you can see, the unit is in meter. Geodetic CRS is GDM 2000. Datum, geodetic datum of Malaysia 2000. Ellipsoid, GRS 1980. Prime meridian, which is Greenwich. Data source OGP. Information source GDM 2000 Technical Manual, Department of Survey and Mapping Malaysia, JPEM. The scope is in cadastral survey. Remarks: replaces Kertau 1968 or Johor Grid CRS code 4390. Area of use Malaysia, West Malaysia, Johor. And the coordinate system using Cartesian 2D CS. Axis easting northing. Orientation is north. And then click a get position on a map to search the demand location. For example, Skudai Johor. Next, drag to the demand location, for example, UTM Skudai Johor. So we've got the coordinates. Next, click transform and it will automatically convert to WGS84. So the longitude is 103 degree, 38 minutes and 18.741 seconds. While for latitude, 1 degree, 33 minutes and 36.907 seconds. So that's all from me. Good luck. Thank you.
So basically, there are many types of coordinates. There are geodetic coordinates, which is a 3D model that is mapped to a location and measured along x, y, and z. Plane coordinates, this is for map, and last one is celestial coordinates. So for Peninsular Malaysia, this is what we use for this datum, transformation, coordinate conversion, and projection. So let's start to the conversion process using mathematical solution. So our group assigned to you to make a mathematical solution of conversion from Cassini to WGS84. So basically, we need to change 3 times before we can get a coordinate in WGS84. So firstly, we need to change the coordinate from Cassini to MRSO map projection. So these are the steps and the formulas for the first one. Next is, after we get the MRSO map projection, we need to convert it to MRT68. As what's stated here, there are formula and steps to gain MRT68 coordinate. And for the last one, after we get the MRT68 map projection, finally we can convert it to WGS84. As what's stated here, the formula are quite complicated. So I think that's all.